Okay, I'm just going to make this a bit bigger for you to see. X to the power of 3 to the power of 5. We're using index laws. If you need a refresher, Google it, but we're going to multiply those powers there, the indices. We're going to expand and simplify. So we're going to expand 4x plus 3 first. 4 multiplied by x is 4x. 4 multiplied by 3. Remember, you have to multiply both terms. And then we've got 7. 4 subtract 2x. 7 multiplied by 4. Remember, you have your calculator. 28. But there's no x here, but the x comes from here. 7 multiplied by 2. And then we're going to write that out all together because it's this term, add this term. X terms here. Oh, I'm ending up with a negative number here. So I'm actually going to start with my my numbers here. 12 plus 28 equals 40. And then I'm going to subtract 4, subtract 14, negative 10. But it's not just negative 10, it's negative 10x. If you thought that you were then going to combine these, please don't. You take these two terms, they've got x's in it. These are the like terms. You take 4 and subtract 14. Here, they're like terms because there's no x's, so you add those together. Great that you get 2 marks for this one. This one looks horrible. If you think it's horrible, then give it your best shot. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's thinking about common factors. What is the highest common factor? So it is a highest common factor question. I'm going to look at my, so what factorize means is put it into brackets. So I'm just going to write this out bigger. Right, I need to put it in brackets. First of all, what I'm going to do is look at the numbers. 15 and 3, the highest common factor. What times table are both of these numbers in? Well, it's the 3 times table. I'm going to give myself some space here. I'm then looking at this x. Now, x to the power 3 is actually x multiplied by x multiplied by x. X squared is x multiplied by x. So I have a common factor of x squared. I have 2 x's, so I'm actually going to take that outside the bracket. I've left a space because sometimes you can take a y as well. In this case, you don't. The y needs to stay inside the bracket. I'm going to take this as my common factor, and then I need to work out 3x squared. How do I get back to 15x cubed? 3 multiplied by 5, x squared, I need another x. X squared, I need another x, and that's what goes in the bracket here. It's an add symbol. 3, I've got it. X squared, I've got it. So this is just y. Don't technically have to write it here and here, but it's a really good idea.